Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain why the French surrendered in World War II. Follow along as I break down strategic, political, and social factors that led to collapse. I will highlight doctrine failures, command confusion, and rapid German advances through the Ardennes. We'll also cover morale, communication breakdowns, and the role of allies. By the end, you will understand the mix of military surprises and internal problems that produced rapid defeat. I will explain key military factors that shaped the defeat without jargon. French strategy emphasized static defense, while German tactics favored speed and coordination, creating operational shock. Command delays and rigid doctrine prevented timely counterattacks, and communications proved unreliable under pressure. Air attacks and armored thrusts severed supply lines, isolating units. These events compounded quickly and limited French options, turning local setbacks into national catastrophe within weeks. In this video, I will explain why the French surrendered in World War II. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep lunches tidy on long research days, and they save cleanup time when filming. They seal well and stack neatly, which is perfect for grabbing a healthy meal between takes. If you like these tips, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will explain how politics and society influenced military outcomes in a clear, conversational way. France faced leadership splits between parties and military establishments, which slowed decisive action. The trauma of the earlier Great War made both leaders and civilians reluctant to endure prolonged suffering again. Civilian panic and mass displacement created chaos behind front lines, complicating logistics and troop movements and undermining sustained resistance against invasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.